up, guys? It's Ryan coming to you here from Sarasota. Today's video, we're going to be doing the Ultra Aire 120H whole house dehumidifier. Today we're going over the installation of it, what we used, and just kind of go through the whole thing. I filmed from start to ending how we did it. We hung it up in an attic. You can also use these little feet pedestals and set it on the ground. So if it's in a basement or in a garage, maybe you've got room in a closet, they come in different sizes also. The one we put in does up to 3,000 square feet. There's a smaller Ultra Aire 70H that does up to roughly 1,800, which is good for a small house or a condo. So many uses, a lot of places you can put these and help get your air quality feeling better, bring down the humidity. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you like it, hit the subscribe, like, and share button. What up, guys? We're on our way to go meet one of my guys, Ryan. We're installing that dehumidifier this morning. It's shouldn't take us but about an hour and a half. I'm gonna film the whole thing and try and put together a little video for you to show you how it works and how to put one in. This one's gonna be installed up in an attic with a hanging kit, and then with a new return ran next to the other return, and then we're gonna pipe it all together. Cutting the unistrut now for the hanging kit for the dehumidifier. Then we have the all thread here. We're just gonna trim this to size. Actually got a cool little tool here that cuts it. Alrighty. Make sure it fits. this going. Gotta screw the all thread up in place. Okay, good. Strut. All right, let's get this unit straight up. And position this dehumidifier low, makes it easier to work on. More. Alrighty, got that. It's gonna sit right there. That should be good. Alright. Go get it and get it set in. Right now. Okay. Alright. Alright. There we go. Nice. Alright, we gotta hook up the flex now. We've got the supply here. We're gonna run that along, over, tap it into the supply. The return, which we have cut a hole already down there inside the house for its own separate return, we're gonna run, hide it behind the unit, come over and tap it in here. So let's get the
on that unit.
Yeah, we're gonna have to, and then we just need one.
I'm gonna tee it down here.
Yeah, we'll just need one vent on it. So. Alright guys, we're all finished with the dehumidifier here. So we got the whole house dehumidification in. I'm gonna go inside, kind of show you what it looks like and let you check it out. Sorry about the shadows and stuff, but you know, don't have lights set up everywhere. So we did have to run a new return here. So we ran a return from where we have it set in the attic up next to their old return. The Ultra Aire. We did purchase the digital thermostat. Let me see if you can see this. Here you go. So it's about 44% humidity here earlier, about an hour and a half ago. It's winter time here in South Florida, so it's not much humidity. It brought it down to 37. So that's just running by itself, which isn't bad for an hour and a half. It does roughly 120 pints of moisture an hour. Let's go up here and check it out. Alright, and there it is. Kind of sounds like a, you know, a fridge or a coffin freezer. We hung it, put a float switch on it with a pan underneath in case the drain ever backs up. We ran a new T-stat wire. Let me come back here. And it plugs into an outlet. So if you don't have an outlet nearby, you will need to run one. Needs a 15 amp breaker. And we ran the flex and the T-stat wire back there. The supply we tapped in. Let's see if I can get it. We tapped into the supply right on the air handler. And it does have a backflow into the unit. So if this isn't running and the air handler is, it will shut down so the air doesn't backflow around through it. So there you have it, guys. Ultra Aire. See if I can zoom in. The Ultra Aire 120H. So it does 120 pints an hour. Nice looking unit. You know, sounds about the same as a fridge. So hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, hit the subscribe button and the bell if you want to see more, and we'll be sending out more